Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna break down my secrets of making thumbnails. So without a wasting of time, let's get started. If you are new here, watch this video till the end, and I'm here sharing my life experiences, and also I'm here to improve my English communication. Actually this is Monday, and every Monday I'm making videos about my YouTube. Okay, so without a wasting of time, start it. Using Canva for my thumbnails. And when I started, I don't know how to make thumbnails, but it's a process, guys. When we are continuously learning and looking to make good thumbnail, that we can easily learn. So okay, so this is my thumbnail that I'm making. So one is like this and one is like this. Okay, so two types of thumbnails I'm making. Recently I started making this kind of thumbnails, so because of internet issue. Okay, so this is going on, this is the thing, this is the thumbnail that I'm making. And now I will tell you the exact roadmap how I'm making this kind of thumbnails. Okay, and this kind of thumbnail. So first I'll tell you how I'm making this kind of thumbnail. So if I break it, that time you can see this is just an arrow. Okay, like this is also a sticker, and this is my text stage, and I am using two texts. Okay, so first one is this and second one is this. So first one is this and second one is this, and I am using some effects, and effects is lift effect with my first text. And when I'm overlapping this, like I'm making another, like I'm putting another text on the same text, that time I'm using the effect. What effect? This outline with 11. Okay, with at 11 and black. So I'm using this, and I'm using the same thing with another my second, all my texts that I'm using. So I'm doing this. But when I started, making thumbnails, that time I was not using this, because I'm a beginner. And everybody, when we are started doing something, we don't know how to make a professional thumbnail. But when continuously doing that, if you can see my first my last and like first thumbnail, initial thumbnails, that time you can see how bad I was making. So it's a kind of process. You can also see on my YouTube. So these were my thumbnails that I was making. First, initial for my initial thumbnails, I was clicking my raw picture from my front camera. But now I started, these are my first. Okay, you can see how bad I was, for the first time. These are my another, but this is my. So we have to put things, we have to put efforts. So these were my first initial thumbnails. You can see this. So everything, it's a process, guys. It's a process. So it's a process. Okay, this one another. So everything going on, everything will be going better and more better on process. Okay, so these are my first initial thumbnail. How bad it is, but I was continuously, I will also continue it. And now you can see how good I became. This one you can see. If I tell you this one, this is just same. I was using some graphics like this, this and this and this arrow and this sticker. You can download this sticker from Flat Icon. There is a website called Flat Icon. You can easily download for free. This is a pro version. You can see the rocket is pro version, but I can download pro version also. So like this, let's go to download, go to download, select that image, select the current page. Okay, when you select, That time there is a pop-up that your design contain premium content. So now you can click three dot and download a free watermark draft. Second one, so when you done it, you can easily download that. But your watermark is looking here, but this is not so much. We can easily use that for our thumbnails. So these kind of, if I tell you about this one, I'm using two pictures of mine and just thumbnails, just my text is. If I tell you this about this, so I'm using first, I was using just raw video. I'll show you exact thing. Add one page and I just add any kind of you can see here that this is my, I will delete it. Okay, so you can see how I am doing. Watch carefully guys. I am deleting all my, now this is a black shadow. Okay, so I delete it and now this is my another picture. I'm using two pictures, you can see here. I'm using two pictures and both pictures having different kind of effect. One is outline, this is I'm making with outline, this is outline, and this one I should delete it. Okay, now, and this one contain this picture contain shadow. In effect, you can easily go to effects, shadow and glow. This is glow effect and the first one was outline. Okay, so this is my, and this one, this is just an arrow I'm using. I'm adding effect on my all elements. So this is my first arrow, this is my second arrow, and this one I was picking up from free pick. And there is also another website, png tree, but that's not that's not almost free, but we can download one png at a time. And you can see I'm also having two. Why I'm using two types? This is contain the effect called outline, you can see. Okay, this one, and if I delete it, you can see this one contain effect, which is effect, this effect, glow effect. And then I zoom and manage both the things. When I zoom it, like I will tell you, okay, when I have two things, I zoom and I just add this on the same, that that using. And if you have any kind of doubts to have fix all these things, that you can use nudge. And nudge, this feature called, you can easily you can see, you can easily move your text as your all kind of elements easily. Okay, so I'll cut it, and after it I'm having this is just mind, a brain element and graphic. And you can easily download this graphic, use this graphic from on Canva. Just go to element and search mind and whatever, mind and brain. In band kar ja, brain. Okay, brain icon. So you can easily download that, use that. And now I gonna tell you, this is what this is a chart, or I can say this is a kind of thing that I'm using from element. Just search lines or whatever. What is the word of that? I think grid lines. Wow, yes, this is grid lines. So you can use grid lines easily. Okay, so these are pro things. So pro you can don't use, but you can use this. These all are free. Okay, you can easily download it. And now I'm using this one, so this is also a kind of thing. And now you can see I add this is just a shape. So you can add shape from element, and these are shape, I'll show you. Okay, these are shapes. Okay, this like this is, so you can easily change the air. This is also a shape, and this is just an arrow line. Okay, okay, I'll break everything. The first I add this arrow, and then I add this red color, and then I add this green color, and both were, then I add this grid, and then this grid lines, and then after this I'm using this brain and this. Okay, I will download from alternative websites, you can also download. So after this, okay, I was doing, actually I was using nuts, so that's why this is happening. Okay, now, so okay, after this I'm using this arrow, two arrows, I'm using two arrows for effects. You can see here, black effect, and also outline, glow and outline. I'm using glow and outline. This is my first picture that I used as a glow effect. Okay, and this is my second picture. This is I'm using with outline. Okay, then I used this black shadow. You can easily add from element. And then this my first text. Okay, this is my second text. Okay, all the text that I already told that what show. Okay, so you can see this is my breakdown. And for this, if I tell you this same thing I did for this two pictures, this is an element that you can download from another site, flat icon, easily free. This is a shape. Okay, both the things is doing. And for this, for this background picture, if I tell you this background picture, then I download my background pictures from Pinterest. You can easily search on Pinterest that how what is this, whatever, like your background images for YouTube. So I downloaded it and then upload it. And for this I'm using same effect. I'm using one effect is outline and second effect is glow. So both the things, and this is the just a, okay, this is just a arrow for this everything. And guys, this thumbnail looking more good because I am using color matching. So my t-shirt color is matching from this one, and all the things, red color is matching red one, and blue is matching somewhere. Okay, so I'm using color correction. So you can use a kind of make thumbnails that having same colors. For this I used any these are the graphics and background image from another site. This is same icon, and this is same pictures, two pictures. Okay, how I got, this is the same thing I'm doing. So hope you understand how I'm making my thumbnails. So all the thumbnails you can download, you have to you should use another alternative sites for making thumbnails. And if I tell you about everything, like every thumbnail, so this is also a kind of flat icon png, and this is my raw pictures, and this is also a kind of raw, and everything I did from my creativity. You can see my first ever thumbnails that I was making, this kind of, how bad it was. Okay, how bad it was, but I was in a process, I am in a process. So for I can also tell you that for my text it, I'm using the font Montserrat. Like, wait, I tell you, this one, Montasser Arabic, Montasser Arabic and Montasser Classic, Montserrat. Okay, so I'm using this one. And if you have any kind of doubts regarding my thumbnails, you can ask me on comment box. Okay, I'll help you in everything. So this is also a kind of same, guys, this is not a big deal. but you have to, use your creativity, and you have to use, make thumbnails every single day. We all are in a process. And if you don't, this was my first, before, when I was making videos in Hindi, so that time I was using this kind of thumbnails. Okay. Actually, before this channel I was making videos in Hindi. Okay. It's a process, guys. Just do this. Okay, hope you got my points. Now, like, this is good. I'm using, for Pinterest, I'm using Pinterest, and I'm using all, like, different kind of sites for my thumbnails. Okay, hope you got it. Hope you found this video likable and valuable for you. If you have any kind of doubts and questions, let me know in the comment box. I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Stay tuned.